by Network Rail.
Oh yeah, because they're mean.
Oh, you can do over the ton, yeah.
Well, it was the first loco officially to do a ton. City through it, 1904. The trouble was, because the driver went for it, coming down over the Devon banks. But the problem was there was nobody on the loco to officially time it. So that, you know, they're only.
It's gone off.
Through the tender.
It's recording. Yeah.
We did free sale tickets.
Press it again.
Oh, hang on.
Okay.
If you go over onto the far side over there, or keep it recorded until you get on there.
You have to do it. You've got to do it, don't you?
Okay, if you'd like to jump on the seat.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you put your hand on that lever there, that's superb. You are now the driver of the Flying Scotsman.
Well.
And I will press